morning, sorry.
Good. Here we go, there's my audio visual assistant. Hello, good morning, welcome to the 5 salutations a day for the month of January. We're just going to get started. So, starting at the front of your mat, starting in mountain pose, so big toes touching, heels slightly further apart, standing long, embracing the core, the quads. Inhaling, reaching the hands high, and exhale, forward fold, hands come to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, flat back and forward. Exhaling, hands to the floor, take a step back into a plank pose. Knees can come to the floor for the first one. And modified plank pose, exhale, lower chaturanga. Elbows stay tucked in towards the ribcage. And then push back, because this is modified, come to a child's pose. Forehead to mat. Inhaling, come back to a downward dog pose. Getting nice and warmed up, we're just pedaling the feet out. One heel rises as the other falls. Bring both heels down towards the floor, look down towards your toes. Inhaling, bend the knees, exhaling, step, or lightly jumping to the front of the mat, look forward, and exhale, fold. Inhaling, hands sweep wide, palms come together. And hands to heart center. Number one, good. Inhaling, raising the hands high, bringing some variations in. Exhaling, forward fold, hands come to mat, head to knees. Inhaling, flat back and forward. Exhaling, hands to floor. Take a step back, plank pose. So just thinking about plank pose, if you're in full plank, you want to create a straight line from shoulders, hips to heels. Knees can come to the floor, or exhale, lower chaturanga, elbows tucked in. Hovering off the mat, inhale, upward dog. And exhaling, downward dog. Inhaling, step forward now with your right foot, left knee comes to the floor. Low lunge. Hands high, hips drop down towards your right heel. So just lengthening the left quad, right hamstring. Exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back with your right foot. Inhaling, left leg raises and step forward, exhaling, left foot to mat, right knee to floor, low lunge. Drop the hips down towards your left heel, keeping the back straight. Exhaling, hands to mat, tuck right, ball of foot to the floor, take a step back with your left foot. Inhale, bend the knees, and exhale, step. Lightly jump to the front of the mat, and exhaling, forward fold. Inhaling, hands sweep wide, palms come together. And exhaling, come straight into number 3. Hands come down towards the floor. Head to knees. Inhale, flat back. Look forward. Exhaling, palms to floor. Take a step back. Plank pose, lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. So coming into a variation of low lunge, step forward with your right foot, left knee to floor. Left hand grounded, right hand reaches high. So it's a low lunge twist, dropping the hips down towards your right heel. Exhaling, right hand to floor, outside your right foot, take a step back. Inhaling, step forward now, left foot, left hand reaches high. Hips still keep dropping down towards your left heel. Maybe you want to look up towards your right hand. Exhaling, left hand to floor, take a step back with your left foot. Inhale, bend the knees, exhale, step. Lightly jump to the front of the mat, look forward. Straight back, feel the hamstrings lengthening, chest comes down to the thighs, head to knees. Inhaling, hands sweep wide, palms together. Coming to number 4. Exhaling, hands reach towards floor. Hopefully the hamstrings feeling a little bit looser now. Inhale, look forward. Exhaling, step. Or lightly jump into the back of the mat. Knees can come to floor, modified. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Arching the back, bring the shoulder blades together. Exhale, downward dog. Low lunge again, right foot comes forward. This time, right hand to the outside of your right foot, left arm reaches high. Again, the hips are dropping down towards your right heel. Right knee stays above your right ankle. Exhaling, left hand to floor. Take a step back with your right foot. Inhale, step forward with your left foot. Right knee to floor. Right hand reaches high. Look up towards your right thumb. Hips drop towards your left heel. Exhale, right hand to floor. Step back with your left foot, downward dog. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, step. Or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Forward fold. Inhaling, chin to chest. And slowly peeling up vertebrae by vertebrae. Last one. Hands reaching high. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to mat, head to knees. Inhale, lengthen, look forward. Exhaling, hands to mat. Take a step back. Again, modification. Knees to floor and lower chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. Right foot steps forward, left knee to floor, right hand high, so it's that first spinal twist. Look up towards your right thumb. Exhaling, right hand to floor, to the outside of your right foot. Left hand now reaches high, bring the two moves together. Keeping the hips dropping down towards the front foot. And exhaling, left hand to floor. Step back to downward dog. Inhaling, left foot steps forward, right knee to floor. Left hand reaches high. Low lunge twist. Exhaling, left hand to the outside of your left foot. Right hand reaches high. Exhaling, both hands to the floor. Take a step back, downward dog. Inhaling, bend the knees. Exhaling, step or lightly jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, look forward and exhale, fold. Inhaling, slowly peeling up, vertebrae by vertebrae, hands windmill wide, palms coming together. And exhaling, hands to heart center. Well done. Thank you for joining today's 5 sun salutations. Just get the body warmed up to get yourself moving at the start of the day. Hope you found them helpful and hopefully see you again online soon for the rest of this challenge. Thanks for joining.